Hello and welcome to Victorian Snippets. The mole had been working very hard all morning, spring cleaning his little home, first with brooms, then with dusters, then with ladders and steps and chairs, with a brush and a pail of whitewash. Thus opens the children's classic, The Wind in the Willows by Kenneth Grahame. At this time of year, after being cooped up, we all get the itch to open at the windows and let the sunshine in. This was also the case in a time-honored practice in Victorian times. Unfortunately, before the age of Hoover, Swiffer, Pledge, and Lysol, it was a bit more tedious and back-breaking. After donning your sturdiest apron and tying up your hair in a kerchief, it was time to move the furniture to the side and roll up the rug. This cumbersome staple was in great need of thorough beating, as it had been gracing the parlor floor all fall and winter, with only an occasional passover by the vacuum cleaner. Now, this appliance was really not very effective, as it was comprised of a bellows, which was activated by pushing it back and forth vigorously in the hopes of sucking up any dirt or debris. The rug was hung over the clothesline and attacked with determination and vigor and left to air for several hours. Many households, thinking that a bare floor would be cooler, then rolled it up and stored it until the following fall. Now for the windows. A solution of vinegar and water would do for both of them. That's inside and out. Children could be called upon to pump and to haul the buckets of water. They must earn their keep, you know. They could also carry out the ashes and sweep the hearth, as the fireplace wouldn't be needed in the summer. Many ladies fill the fireplaces with potted ferns during the warmer months. While the windows dried, the curtains were washed, by hand of course, and hung to dry. After the bare wood floors were washed and waxed, attention could be focused on the furniture. Dusting, cleaning, and finally waxing was the procedure here, and upholstered items felt the thwack of the beater as had the rug. And then there were the knickknacks. Lots and lots of Victorian knickknacks. More water and careful drying. And after everything had dried, the room was put back in order or rearranged according to taste, and the curtains were pressed and rehung. Now on to the next room. That was just the parlor. Whew!